back. This video we move to the next topic within the Manim rendering text and formula text without LaTeX. We discuss and demo to you how to use color. However, we already use color many times in earlier parts, but we now try to see is how you can control more precisely of this color setting. So this video is the number 33. So let's go to here. From the mind map, I have some more points mentioned. We have two samples, and one is the color equal to color name. Secondly, is we will use this command T2C. So that is our another part is to have some specific character which you can use at reading text to set the color. So that is the two parts. So first is apply to the whole text. Second is you can select a certain character within the words or within the text strings, then making that into this different setting. So let's do that in our code. And in the folder structure, I have rename a little bit. Is because I can foresee within this number one text without LaTeX, we may easily move more than 10 folders. So I put that to 2-digit. So let's use this 2.3 _1 _06. So this number may not matching to this bulletin point, but I just try to manage this in sequence. So this one, and if you come to the this Python file, it should be almost the same to this class. Like this one, simple color. So .py. So from. Oh, if you don't see some specific color changed, then that's most of the time that's due to you have some typo error. So like this class and the simple color scene and def construct self. So we put just the color. So we put that is applied to the text. This is similar to the what we have done in the number 1 or 2. So just make our string and use the color keywords with our color name. So let's move that move to up 1 unit. So let me call that is color 1, color 2, text, and that is the another color. Color, let's use some color code. So like this. And then don't put anything. So let me see whether I have some. Oh, here. Move to up times 2. And here text, if I put that blue, and self add color 1, color 2. So let's just use color name first. So Manim 2.3, and then 2.3 106. Oh, so 2.3 first. No, formula. This one, then from here to number 2. Oh, it should be number 1. Yeah, it's I have too huge the structure, no? So now we have this. Let's make this PQL with this simple color. Let's render that first. I see the color name has some these wavelines. Let's see what's the content. We have images, texts, videos. So text generate 2. That is correct. So render simple dot plane 0. And here, what's that looks like? Oh, it's ask me which app is to have open the PNG. So just answer photo in my this Windows. So you can see red color, blue color, but it looks like it's here if I put our color code like it's let's see. So whether I can make that work. I didn't put pound, so just less is so it's not defined. So let me give this one. Oh, this one will be looks like our comments in Python. So let me see whether I can put like this way. If not, it's we will. Oh, looks like it's work. Oh, that is a change to this one. So I can put our color 3. With the blue color. So we can see with double quotes, that's good is if you put 0, 0, 0, 0, FF and make that move to down. Just down, I think that's enough. You don't need to, I put this times 2 for up, but down is default should be just 1. Oh, I don't have my this color coming, so oh, I didn't add that, so my bad. So with this step-by-step playing, I hope is you are familiar with those code structure. So now I should have a 3-1, and these two just the distance is 1, this 2 distance is 2. So now you can control either use the color name, which may not be so many names, but once you can use this color code, then this will be more flexible. So that is the 06. Let's create our 07. And moving on, so we will have these more colorful things. Let's create our new file under here. Code is text. Oh, I just put that T2C py. So text T2C example. Oh, if construct self. So let's starting to define T2C. What is the index word? I just put the T2C1. So I like it's simple. So this is the hello. And let's try this double quotes and the T2C as the arguments with this curly braces and with single quotes, square brackets. That is like the slicer, so it's mentioned in the paragraph. If you read this with that, then we give our color blue. So that means it's from the number one. So number one is due to the this list is the first character is the starting index 0, so E is number one, and it's by the whole words. So this is our hello. So number -1 is until -1. So then that is the ELL. So let's later on we can do the more test to see that. So then we move to left. And then let's self add T2C1. So let's first do the test. And that is the text T2C example. With those, let's wait on this. Oh, what was the error? Manim. No module found. No module named Manim. That is not the correct import thing. So, oh, here, construct. So let me do that. So all kinds of this simple typo error will generate something. So let's continue to from Manim. So oh, it's, you should not use the capital M. So that gave you the hint, but I already find another construct arrows so that you can see. So now it's starting to do the compiling. So I will get hello. So hello is that is the number one. That is the -1. So if I put this -2, so you will see should be the only the E and the 1L. So then let's do the test. So just to try to verify all the kind of things. So now this is the EL. Let's make our second T2C2. So that is another text is the word. And we give our this exclamation. Then that we have the T2C as well. So with these curly braces, and then you can see the R1, RL is red. So you can put that this. Let's let me see whether I can use double quotes. Is let me see RLD. So I have those red, and with that is I will see next to T2C1 in the right. And don't forget is to add your T2C2 to this self scene add. Otherwise, you process that, but it's not displayed. So let's see. So after this, we will have these two. So I just indicate is RL plus D. So there's two ways that you can do. One is like the Python standard slicer. Second one is the key contains words or character which should be colored separately. So you can make that the continuous word that you want to put that into the different color. So with this, you have our two method to paint your text with variable colors. And by the way, so we also test this. You can give the color as the color code. So that is definitely you can change this to the code. Then this you have those millions of those different colors that you can paint to your text. So with that, we finish this using color. Next one is we will talk about this gradients. It's not like the shape gradients, but the text gradients. So see you in this one. Bye for now.